All right, so it's December 6th, 2020, and got a Christmas project from my best friend Joe Sterrett. Joe, I hope you really like this. Started out with a blank piece of wood like this, and then I traced on it the Black Forest Inn sign that you remember so well from our days. And I got the letter design off of the t-shirt that we bought last year and searched on the internet, found a very small fuzzy sample of the sign, and I'm going to do my best to kind of replicate it for you. So I did this all by hand last night. Today we're going to route it out and hopefully get it painted, and if we're lucky, get it off to you in time for Christmas. Love you, brother. All right, so we're done routing. So we got it all carved out. It's highlighted, as you can see. And next we use the jigsaw to make the form and cut out the notches that are on the bottom. And that's what I'll do next. All right. Well, I am super excited about this. I mean, check it out. It looks so much like the same one. It had this uneven notch over here, and next we're gonna add some. We'll add the top and a couple of bars. They had black bars that went across here, wood, and then we'll paint it up, and we're almost done. It's looking pretty good. So, anyways, there it is. We don't have the original anymore, but we got this one. So this is my first time hand carving with a Dremel. I got my Dremel tool here, and I've been carving out the leaf at the top and the leaves, and I think they turned out pretty darn good. Not bad for a first try. I actually did a little test piece first. This is a piece of wood, just junk piece of wood that I carved a maple into, and then I torched it with my propane torch, which I'm gonna do to this because it makes it stand out real nice afterwards. But I'm pretty happy with how this has come out so far, but it's kind of killing my hand. This one takes some concentration. Messed that up. We're getting close, so we haven't screwed it up yet, so looking pretty good. Joe, I know you're gonna love this, and this is gonna be like really hard for me to give away because it's pretty cool, and it'll be the only one in the world, and it's all yours. All right, making progress here. Here's our sign so far. It's got the bottom like that, and then we're gonna paint up the letters white, and I'll paint the other pieces black, and we'll attach them, and we are nearly there.